This is a 1980s Mariner Yamaha 28 horse twin cylinder 2-stroke, and it's seeming to have an ignition system issue. I just got done going through the carb. I got these on to pull plug wires, but the engine wasn't running right and he was getting fuel coming out the top of the carb. I pulled the carb off and apart, and that's the reason why the engine was flooding. Ordered a good used carb on eBay. I went through it, I cleaned it, I put new gasket on the float bowl, put new needle and seat on the inside, put a new gasket up here on this one, put everything back together, and the engine's not running right. And you can tell it's having an ignition system issue. I put new spark plugs in it, all that fun stuff. Let's see which plug wire not working on. So, not running on the top cylinder. It's only running on the bottom cylinder. It has intermittent spark on the top cylinder. But it's only running on the bottom cylinder. See? Should be running on either or. And not only that, getting quite a bit of this crap because it's not burning up everything on both cylinders like it should. So he's having ignition system issues now. So not only did he have carb issues with that one, and the guy he bought the motor from said he recently cleaned the carb out, and this was somebody tried to glue that back together, and obviously didn't work and flooding out the carb. That's why I had to get this carb that has everything's good in it and stuff. But obviously, as you can see, it's only running on the bottom cylinder, not the top cylinder. It's intermittently running on the top cylinder too, but it's mainly running on the bottom cylinder. When it picks up RPMs for a split second, like that, that's the second one kicking in. It's only running on the bottom cylinder. And so now I got to troubleshoot the ignition system on this engine to figure out why it's not running on the top cylinder and fix it. I gotta talk with the customer, and yeah, fun times.